Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bluevine with QuickBooks. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. Just going to show you exactly how to synchronize your Bluevine accounts with QuickBooks for smoother bookkeeping. So let's get into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website. Once you're there, go to Settings or Integrations. Now select QuickBooks Online from the list of available integrations. Now click Connect and sign into your QuickBooks account when prompted. Authorize Bluevine to share transaction data with QuickBooks because this allows your banking activities to automatically flow into your accounting software. Now choose the Bluevine account that you want to synchronize. If you manage multiple accounts, you can just select them individually. Once connected, check QuickBooks to confirm that your Bluevine transactions are appearing on the bank feeds. Categorize and reconcile transactions directly in QuickBooks as they come. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully linked Bluevine with QuickBooks. If you like the tutorial, like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.